Hey Queens, how you doing? It's Lioness. Looking for you guys today for a Halloween tutorial. And I already applied my primer, foundation, and concealer, but right here I'm kind of touching it up, my concealer a little bit. Then I'm going to use my foundation brush to kind of blend out those harsh lines. Now, when you're creating a lion look, you want to make your features look more stronger. So you will add like a lighter concealer to like the points to give you that beast line effect. So you want to add the concealer to like the top of your lip and like under your eyes and like in the middle of your on the top of your nose, right there, right between your eyebrows. And as you can see, I'm contouring already, and I use some bronzer to kind of give me like that tan look, because you know a lion has dimension to their faces. And I'm contouring my eyes to kind of give me a cat-like shape. And right here, I'm kind of forming like that line cheeks. So you want to kind of smile a little bit and then create those lines with a brush. And the shadows that I'm using is like a brown, a dark brown, and a black. I'm mixing them all together. And right here, I'm adding more concealer because I wanted that area to pop. And you have to use a shade, of course, that's lighter than you to give you that protruding look. And then I'm taking my my brown and my black eyeshadows that I mixed to kind of give me that separation in between my lips. And right here, I'm about to do my eyebrows, and I kind of did them as a little like some hair strands, but I don't know. I ended up messing it up, but I liked it at the end. And I didn't do my eyebrows as I normally do them. I try to kind of make them look straighter, but they didn't go as straight. They still had like an arch to them. Now I'm going to go through my brows with some brow gel to kind of make them look a little thicker and bushier. Now right here, I'm just doing the final touches on my eyebrows to move to the next step, which is to get my my blending brush and just smooth everything out and give it back the color that it kind of lost in between my my concealer and my contour for my eyelids. Now I'm going in under my eyes on my lower lash line to kind of give it like a more precise feline eye look. And I'm going to go in with some other detail to help the feline effect come together. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer brush to kind of blend out those creases and those harsh lines under my eye. And then I'm going to go back into more detailing with my eye using my gel eyeliner, but I'm not using a heavy hand with it. I'm just slightly applying it to the to my lower lash line to kind of give it like the more feline-ish look. Now I'm going into my setting powder to set all those places that I added the concealer, and the setting powder is by Juvia's Place. Now I'm going into my regular face powder to set my face and to dust off that setting powder that I use for my concealer. Now I'm going into my shadow, and I'm using like a bone shade color to apply it on my eyelids. And then after that, I'm going to use a shimmer shadow, like the same color as the bone shadow. Now I'm going into my my liquid eyeliner pen, and then I'm gonna put do a coat of my mascara, and then I'm gonna step off camera and do my lashes. And the lashes that I have on, they are from my lash line. Now I'm going in with my contour just to give my cheeks, will make my cheeks look more hollow and stronger. Now I'm going in with my same liquid eyeliner pen to make those 3 dots on each side to make them look like whiskers. And then I'm going to take the same liquid eyeliner pen to kind of carve out the shape of my nose, but I kind of stopped midway and I just started using my my gel eyeliner. Now I'm going to go into my gel eyeliner and apply over those 3 dots to kind of give it like a more precise look. And then I'm going to take my concealer and put it in my tear ducts. My lower lash line to kind of give my eyes like a more wider and a brighter eye effect. Now I'm going into my mascara to apply my first my eyelash primer, and then I'm going to go into the mascara and apply it on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to smoke my lash line out with my pencil brush. Then I'm going to go into my concealer again and add 3 dots onto those 3 dots that I applied with my gel eyeliner to kind of give it like a 3-dimensional look. And the look is basically done. I'm applying my lips. I use my concealer for my upper lip, and I use a liquid matte lipstick for my lower lip. But I want to say thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to turn on your post notification bells so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget we're having a giveaway when we get to 100 subscribers and my lash line. These lashes are from them, and like I said, when everything is finalized, I would definitely let you guys know. So you guys need to be on the lookout for these lashes because they are the bomb.